Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching a So What box opening. As we said, this has been a wild and crazy year, and I've gotten very behind, but this one actually says it was delivered or mailed on February 3rd of 2025. So, February's box. And then I get all the fun of going back through them and trying to do the projects but what have we got? So in Love. And I think we're going to be doing some purple. So we get a project. It's a pouch. Ready to sew kit. We have extra fabric bundle. We have a members only project vault with the videos. A multi-style pattern for the project pouch. And of course, as always, there's the Facebook community. But I love the little cards. They tell you exactly what's in it. And that the project is designed in the U.S., pins and needles are packaged in the U.S., fabrics are made in the U.S., the cards, patterns, envelopes, and the box designed and printed in the U.S. This is a small business owner, but I think she does a great job. So our extra fabric bundle. Oh, I love it. Can you see? And then we have purple with white love and hearts on it. And learn how to use the bonus sew in tag. So then now they've got a video and they give us the website to find a video on how to use these tags. Handmade, home sewing, handmade, home sewing. I love it. So we have our extra little fabric and our project tags. And now with a video for how to use them and install them. So we're just going to put that right in there. And then our fabric pouch. And we have extra needles. Extra pins with an extra sewing machine needle because you should be changing your needles. Have some thread. And then everything that you're going to need to make the pouch. So we have pre-cut fabric and vinyl, the key ring, all-purpose thread, sewing pins, universal needle, written instructions, and a sew-along video link on the back. It says 2-minute prep time and about 50 minutes to complete. So these are awesome. I've said before, I don't do a lot with the vinyl, but it's been kind of fun with these projects. I have made a couple, and we do have the videos from, way back when. Always challenging, something new. Not always what I would have picked, but, when you always do what you want to do, sometimes you get in a rut and you never expand or grow, try new things. So, and I really like that fabric. She and I have very similar taste in fabric. And then what I've noticed, what's new from a few years ago, is that you get extra patterns in different sizes or different varieties. So we do have the projects pouch. We've got the video tutorial, you've got a scan code, and then you've got all of your patterns that you can cut out. And I have noticed she's got a new way to subscribe. You can just subscribe and just get the pattern. So that is another way for you to have a lower price subscription. I think it's $10.95. I'll have to look it up, or you can look it up. Be sure to check out the link in the description. And be sure to use our link, because I will get a little thank you from her if someone buys the subscription off of my link. Everything helps, especially in this economic times of ours, and with the holidays coming up, of course. Lots of extra expenses on the food and the treats and the cooking, decorations, you know, got the gifts. So any little thing will help. So be sure to check out the link. But the best thing that you can do to help us out is watch the video, make a comment, hopefully a nice one, share it, and come back. That is the best thing that you can do to help us out. And the plan is I'll start making these up, let you see a little. I won't make you sit through the whole hour of sewing it together, I promise. But that way, if any there's tricks or tips that we can come up with, I want to share those with you. But a nice little pouch, and these are really handy to have next to the sewing machine, to have your extra needles or your seam rippers or little whatevers. These are great to take on the road. As I also like to crochet, and sometimes I'll do that writing in the car, but I always lose my little scissors and my crochet hooks in whatever bag I'm using, so this would be really handy for me to put my crochet hooks in. And then, of course, we have our extra fabric. I think she does a marvelous job of curating these boxes. Like I said, she and I have got very similar tastes in fabric. And it is very attractive to me that it is an independent small business owner who does so much of the curating in the U.S. Keep trying to add those jobs if we can. But again, I think she does a great job. You are definitely getting your value. And you're learning while you're doing it. That's attractive to me too. So I hope you're having a good day. I hope you continue to come back as I work through all of my boxes and then start working on the projects. I don't know if there's any way you could enjoy it as much as I'm going to, though. So, sorry. Can't pass that along. You just may have to order them yourself. What do you think about that, huh? Anyway, I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're having a marvelous month. I hope there's lots of good things to be looking forward to. And I hope I see you next time right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks so much for watching.